Crypto volatility is in full swing this morning. As you can see, we are back up on the week. We are back up over the last 24 hours. But over the last few minutes, we are down again. Traders are buying, they're selling, they're creating volume. And this is a very good sign, guys. Overall, Bitcoin sitting at 111,800. That's after being at 113,000 plus this morning. So it is coming back down about 1% over the last hour. Ethereum was up to about 4,500. I believe it was like 4,490, down to 4,370 right now. Solana was at 210, down to 207. So we are seeing a lot of volatility in the crypto space. Altcoin season is here, and things usually pick up in terms of volatility during altcoin season. But this is a very important indicator. We're still sitting one tick above fear. We're sitting at a level of 41 on the Fear and Greed Index. Guys, we have got so much room to run. Now, we're going to be focused on World Liberty Financial in the video today. We're going to be talking about some of the most recent news and the fact that, well, Justin Sun's wallet may be unreasonably frozen. Remember, this guy bought like $1 billion worth of this cryptocurrency, and the price today is actually doing okay. It's up from where it was yesterday. Yesterday it was at 16 cents. Today it's at 18 cents. So we're watching it play out. We're going to go over the news, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, World Liberty Financial is up 4% over the last essentially 24 hours here. It is down from the open this morning as the rest of the cryptocurrency space is declining, but there's a lot going on that needs to be unpacked. So let's understand what's happening with World Liberty Financial, what's happening with Justin Sun in all of this, and there is a lot to look at. I'm not going to look at all of the details in this video, but it's something that you need to understand if you own World Liberty Financial or plan on buying World Liberty Financial. It says Tron founder Justin Sun is urging World Liberty Financial, a crypto project linked to the Trump family, to unfreeze his token allocation. His wallets were blacklisted after suspicious transactions flagged by blockchain trackers sparked accusations of selling. Sun's World Liberty Financial token address was blacklisted on Thursday after blockchain data from Nansen and Arkham flagged the address for a $9 million transfer, Cointelegraph reported. In a Friday response to the blacklisting, Sun said that his presale tokens were unreasonably frozen, urging the team behind World Liberty Financial to unlock his investment in respect to the principles of decentralized blockchain technology. World Liberty's decision to block his tokens is a violation of investors' rights and risks, damaging broader confidence in World Liberty Financial, Sun wrote in a post. So what is exactly happening here? And you can read all of his posts if you want to, and so on. It says Sun was among the first investors in the World Liberty Financial presale and said that he was looking to hold the token long term. Sun stated that he would not be selling soon, in his words, and is creating yield on HTX for World Liberty Financial deposits, plus minting $200 million worth of USD1 on Tron to power the ecosystem. Now, it goes on to say that Justin and the World Liberty Financial team are in contact, but the blacklisting occurred shortly after Sun had started moving World Liberty Financial tokens to the HTX cryptocurrency exchange. Justin Sun moved $9 million worth of his still unlocked World Liberty Financial tokens to HTX. In total, he sent $10 million to centralized exchanges over the last 3 days, Bubble Maps reported. And it says if Justin Sun, this is where the differing in opinion comes in, right? Because truthfully, Justin Sun should be able to do whatever he wants with his 20% unlocked tokens, right? He had a lot of money invested in this project, and if he would like to take some profit, he should be able to take some profit. Now, this is where things get a little weird, right? It says if Justin Sun really lured in World Liberty Financial tokens from HTX users with a 20% APY to lock them, and then sell them to get out of his own position while they're still unvested, he deserves to get his tokens frozen, wrote Quentin Francois, cryptocurrency analyst. It says others, including Nansen, a crypto intelligence platform founder Alex, contend that Sun has not been selling his allocation. So simply moving your tokens from a decentralized wallet to a centralized wallet, especially if it's to provide liquidity and provide these yields to different users. There should be no issue with that whatsoever. Even if he did want to sell his tokens, it is still his right and it is still his choice to sell his tokens. Now, liquidity farming and all of these different things and accusations that are coming up by luring in investors while he dumps on them, it's a little bit of a gray area, right? Because theoretically, he should be allowed to do whatever he wants to do with his tokens. But is it the right thing to do? And that's a broader question that I don't necessarily know the answer to, and it's going to be a little bit more subjective based on what each, person would say. So what has happened? Right? World Liberty Financial has blacklisted Justin Sun's wallet address from moving his tokens around. Whether or not you believe that this is right or not, that is what has currently happened. So we're going to have to see how this plays out. World Liberty Financial's price is seemingly trying to set up a very nice support at 18 cents per coin. So if you guys are interested in grabbing some WLFI tokens, I've got some. You guys can go out to the K6 exchange, Kucoin, BitUnix. You get links for everything down in the description below. But what I've just decided to do during this bull market is diversify. I am owning as much as I could possibly own. And one of the tokens is Bitcoin Hyper. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Bitcoin Hyper, you also get a link for this down in the description. It's going to pull up this website right here. And then from there, you can see that they've already raised $14 million in the next 1 day and 13 hours. The price is going to rise again. If you guys are learning or wanting to learn more about what they do, you can check out their entire website. But essentially, they're building a layer 2 for Bitcoin. You're going to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper, utilizing the layer 2 network transacted near instant finality. And then with zero knowledge proofs, it sends the info back to Bitcoin where it's validated on the blockchain. And then from there, when you want to withdraw, you can move back over from Bitcoin Hyper to Bitcoin's layer 1 wallet address. Now, if you still have questions, they've got a lot of info on their website, including frequently asked questions at the bottom, all of that good stuff. They've got like 14.6 thousand followers out on their X account, ton of impressions, ton of engagement, and this token's actually doing very well for an overall crypto market that's sitting at a level of 41 neutrality in terms of fear and greed right now. So I am taking advantage of this situation by buying into the fear. I am taking advantage of it by continuing to allocate. I am taking advantage of it. I want to know what you guys are taking advantage of. So let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.